Welcome to Spread Hunter Daily Safari for Thursday, April 5th. Another bout of big range trading, which began earlier in the week, and on Wednesday, the market opened down 500 points, or 30 S&P points on some of the tariff talk that has people nervous. However, just as it began to look grim, the market turned up and proceeded to rally over 750 points, or 75 points in the S&P, with the SPY closing more than 8 points off of its low. I cannot begin to tell you the opportunities that presented themselves yesterday and again today. Dozens of calls and likewise puts earlier in the week again went from pennies to dollars. And with the 3 expirations that we have weekly, there is just no shortage of small options to grab. This is swing trading at its finest. Get together with us and take advantage of all of this and all of this movement, and by using Spread Hunter. The leverage is off the chart, whether you are using naked calls and puts or the innumerable spread combinations that are laid out for you right on the platform. All I can say is good hunting. Oh, and by the way, as of the close, the tariff trade talk has reared its head, and the S&P is trading down 30 points from its close, which is down probably close to 50 points from its high earlier today. So let's see how the numbers come out tomorrow. We have a big announcement. Unemployment numbers are coming out in the morning, and who knows where the market could go. It could go back and test the lows from earlier in the week, or it could break out to new highs. There's just no way to know. You have to get in the game and find something that's inexpensive and, plunge ahead. So good luck with that.